Hey folks, ever noticed how everyone seems to be diving into the AI world, creating ebooks, or supercharging their commercial ads to make money? It's a trend that's hard to ignore. But you know what? There's a little-known niche out there, perfect for beginners. And here's the exciting part. I've seen people actually raking in the cash from it. Today, I'm thrilled to break down a small yet profitable avenue with you. A side hustle in relatively high demand, but a low technical niche powered by AI. Now brace yourselves because my friend actually purchased her avatar for $15. Yes, you heard that correctly, $15. So if you and I were the sellers, 5 minutes of work for $15 translates to an impressive hourly rate, $180 per hour. It can be much higher, as you'll see later. Exciting, isn't it? Or at the very least, you can save $15 by creating your own avatar. You might be wondering, in this era of AI in 2023, is it still possible to earn a side income by creating avatars? Well, I can give you a straightforward answer: absolutely. When I was a college freshman, I stumbled into the fiercely competitive world of photo retouching. To be honest, I never thought I could make it there. After all, I was majoring in finance, not design. But I found my niche. Let me take you back to a time when graphic design was a hands-on craft. I specialized in photo retouching for contestants in beauty pageants. It all began when I was glued to America's Next Top Model, probably about 15 years ago. I vividly remember Tyra Banks, the show's iconic host, dropping this golden nugget of advice on the contestants: take great care of your skin because photo retouching is a pricey affair. Then, that was a light bulb moment for me. If it was expensive, I thought, why not give it a shot? I threw myself into mastering the art and began offering my services on eBay. This was way before Fiverr had become a household name. My meticulous retouching work quickly earned me a reputation for excellence, and soon, not only contestants from adult beauty pageants, but also from adorable children's pageants like Toddlers and Tiaras came to me. I was the guy behind countless supreme and best photogenic photos. This side hustle wasn't just about the money, although it did eat up a chunk of my time, thankfully, without affecting my studies. It gave me something even more valuable: financial independence, a methodology for creating products and services, all by the tender age of 18. My earnings covered my tuition, living expenses, and even allowed for a bit of travel. While it wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it was an invaluable experience for a college freshman like me, seizing a business opportunity, rapidly learning a skill, and making it profitable. What truly made this hustle shine was that I stumbled upon a sweet spot in beauty pageant retouching. It was a world with generous budgets, insatiable demands, and surprisingly not too much competition. Now, let's fast forward to today. Just before a friend showed me her avatar, I had my doubts about whether there was still a market for this kind of side hustle in the age of AIGC. However, my friend proved me wrong with a cute avatar she had purchased on Fiverr for $15. I thought, wait a minute, this was created by AI. And why was I so sure? Well, there was a tiny bug in the fingers of the girl in the product image, which is often a bug in AI-generated characters. Upon closer inspection on Fiverr, I discovered many sellers claiming, I can create portraits in any style. While there might not be a 100% match, most of these stylish avatars can indeed be generated by AI. Moreover, avatars like my friend's, with a childlike appeal requiring lower similarity, are even easier to produce. What's interesting is that for some psychological reason, people tend to consider the cute or beautiful avatars as being in high similarity. This is a little bit like the pageant photo retouching. Additionally, since it's the cute version of an avatar, a single one can serve multiple customers by simply customizing the names on the picture. Yet, these kinds of sales on Fiverr were thriving, with numerous orders in the queue. At this point, some of you might be wondering, okay, I understand, but what do I need to get started with this kind of work? Well, you'll need some standard software tools. I prefer using Midjourney. Of course, Stable Diffusion is also a good option. It's just that I haven't mastered it yet. And software for customizing names like Canva or Photoshop. Since adding names to pictures is a simple operation, there are many softwares that can work. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce, the prompts. For this particular style, I used this prompt: If you need the exact text to copy and paste, you can find them in the comments box. Of course, you can also unleash your creativity by customizing the phrases of environment, actions, expressions, and artistic styles to match your specific needs. So circling back to the initial question, can creating avatars be a lucrative side hustle in 2023? Actually, whether it's creating avatars or other simple yet appealing AI products or services, it's all about finding the right scenario. I think this is quite similar to what we do with YouTube channels, isn't it? After all, a YouTube channel is a product or service that we are refining, right? The scenario is the niche market we tirelessly seek. The truth is, the more specialized our focus, the greater the potential rewards. What truly matters is understanding and meeting the demands. I'm still on my journey exploring YouTube, and we can inspire each other along the way. All right, that's it for today's sharing. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated.